For how many generations would reservations in jobs and education continue? The Supreme Court sought to know during the Maratha quota case hearing on Friday and raised concerns over resultant inequality in case the overall 50% limit was to be removed. The bench said 70 years have passed since independence and the states have been carrying on so many beneficial schemes, and can we accept that no development has taken place, that no backward caste has moved forward? Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday attacked West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over unemployment in the state and said the Chief Minister stands as a wall to block the central schemes. Didi's government is reluctant to implement the new national education policy. She is not worried about the future of millions of youth of West Bengal, her career, he said while addressing a public rally in Kharagpur. He assured the youth, saying the BJP will not allow her to play with their future. India has added 40,953 new coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, highest daily rise since November 29th, amid a worrying surge across the country that has prompted some states to consider return of school closures, restrictions on public gatherings, and other virus-fighting measures, including lockdown in their worst-hit districts. The state government of Mizo National Front, which has extended issue-based support to the NDA, is in favour of allowing refugees from the neighbouring country, even laying down a policy to assist them. But the centre has asked all bordering states and the force guarding the border to prevent the influx and deport those who have come in since the coup, mainly police personnel. US President Joe Biden on Friday denounced the upsurge of violence against Asian Americans, telling a community plunged into grief after this week's Atlanta murders that the nation must not be complicit in the face of racism and xenophobia. After meeting with leaders of Georgia's Asian American community, Biden delivered a brief speech at Atlanta's Emory University, where he branded hate and racism, quote, "the ugly poison that's long haunted our nation," unquote.